Hi, it's Jan from Velomobile World, and today's video I'm together with Ben Parker. Of course, he's not here, he's in USA. And end of this video we want to say something really nice about the container shipping, how that is going. But first, I want to ask you something very important. I ask your collaboration. If you go to our website, you've seen probably you have first a topic like efficiency and rain protection, and then there comes a section for what can you use a Velomobile. And we were thinking to change this part to say for what our customers use a Velomobile. And we want to have their testimonials about, for example, you use a Velomobile because it brings you faster from A to B, or you use a Velomobile because in the winter it's really wet and raining and you really dislike to cycle in rainy weather, so a Velomobile is a great solution for you. We want to make really nice stories with pictures from you, in order people who read it or go to our website, which is about 10,000 people every month, looking at our website, they see, hey, there are people who really use them, are happy with it, and they can identify themselves with you as a Velonaut, and they might become also a Velonaut. That's my question. For Europe, please write me jan@velomobileworld.com if you want to help us out with nice stories. Before you kind of write all the stories, please contact me in order we give some guidelines. For USA, it's the email address will be sales.usa@velomobileworld.com. And I give now the word to Ben.
Thanks, Jan. We've had really good interest in the container shipping offer. Just to review what this is, it's free shipping to Minneapolis, Minnesota, arriving here in late April, and we'll also have a team of people here in place to help set up the bikes. So it's a great opportunity to make sure your bike gets dialed in really well. We'll have spare parts on hand if they're needed, and we'll be having a group ride and just some opportunity to network with other Velomobile riders, which is especially helpful for people who might be new to riding Velomobiles. The update is that because we've had such great interest, we're going to go ahead and move from a 20-foot container to a 40-foot container, which means we're going to bring 24 new Velomobiles here to the US in April, which is awesome. About 2/3 of those spots are spoken for now, but we have a few left. So if you've been kind of on the fence about whether or not you want to take advantage of this, you needed some more time to research, do test rides, that kind of thing, the opportunity is still there. And the spots are open until they're taken or until February 5th. At that point, we need to close down this offer just because we need time to build the bikes and get them packed up on the container and ship it over here to meet our deadline. And we're also thinking about sending over some bikes to have on stock. So if you're somebody who wants to try it before you buy and would like to take home the bike you rode, that could be an opportunity that's coming up in the future too, and we will update on that as we finalize plans for that. So back to you, Jan.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe on our channel. That will help really much the algorithm for YouTube. Let some comments behind, and see you next time. Bye bye.